Good morning everyone. Yesterday we have done 1/2 and today we will be doing 1/4. Okay, we will be learning 1/4 and 1/3. What do you mean by 1/4? What do you mean by 1/3? So the earlier videos that I shared, I am sure that it will be clear to you that what do you mean by 1/4. When you divide a shape or the number of when you divide a shape or numbers in 4 equal parts, that we call 1/4. So suppose if it is rectangle is given and there are 4 equal parts, 1 2 3 4, and this one part is shaded, so it is 1/4. Similarly, this circle is divided into 4 equal parts, 1 2 3 4, and one part is shaded, so it means that we are talking about 1/4. Now we are having color 1/4 of the cups blue. Now here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. Now there are 16 total cups. We have 16 total cups here and 16 total cups here, and what you can do, you have to divide it into 1/4 of this cup should be colored blue. Now how you will divide it into 4 equal parts? What you can do is divide 16 with 4. Means for 16 come in the table of 4 at which number? 16 come in the table of 4 at 4. So you can divide this 4 1 2 3 4 separately, 1 2 3 4 separately, 1 2 3 4 separately, 1 2 3 4 separately. So 4 equal parts we have divided. So now we have to color this 1 2 3 4 cups with blue. Whatever you want, whichever 4, only 4 cups you have to color. So like this you can color 4 cups with blue color, whatever cups you want to, but only 4 cups should be shaded. So this we have divided this 16 cups in 4 equal parts. Earlier we were dividing with 2 equal parts. Now we will be dividing 4 equal parts. Okay, so 1/4 you can say. Now this next concept that we will be studying is 1/3, in which the shape will be divided into 3 equal parts. 1 2 3, 1/3 part is shaded. Here also circle is divided 1 2 3 and 1/3 part is shaded. That we will be doing afterwards. Now today, how many halves of a half make a whole? Now how many halves of a half? आपको मैंने KitKat वाला एग्जाम्पल दिया था, चॉकलेट वाला एग्जाम्पल दिया था. कितने हाफ्स को ज्वाइन करके यू विल गेट 1 होल पीस. सो ऑब्वियसली 2 हाफ्स को 1/2 को ज्वाइन करोगे आप तो बन जाएगा 1. सो इट मीन्स 2 हाफ्स यू रिक्वायर टू ज्वाइन टू गेट 1. ओके, 1/2 प्लस 1/2. सपोज योर केक इज डिवाइडेड इंटू 2 इक्वल पार्ट्स. आप केक को दोनों पार्ट्स को जो है यू विल ब्रिंग टुगेदर एंड देन इट विल बिकम होल. सो इट्स मीन्स दैट 1/2 हाफ हाफ प्लस करोगे देन यू विल गेट 1. Now take the figure that is shaded to represent 1/4. You want to take that is shaded properly 1/4 in representation of 1/4. So here the circle one part is only shaded. So yes, it is 1/4. Now as you can see 1 2 3 4 5 5 divisions are done, but the divisions are also not equal. So the thing is that it is not 1/4. Now here 1 2 3 4, here 5 divisions are done. It was already wrong. 1, so that's why also it is wrong. 1 2 3 4, here also 4 divisions are done, but the thing is not, this is not divided equally. This one is smaller than this and this one is also smaller than this, so it means that we will put cross. Now this shape is divided into 4 equal parts and one part is shaded equally, so we will put tick on it. Now the next question that we will doing today, complete each figure of the drawing with the missing part. One is done for you. So here this box was missing, so that's why we have drawn the box. Here this L shape you will make, like this you will make, and you can complete this box. This is quite easy for you people. And here you just have to make a this triangle and then you can complete this box, and here you have to join this with like this and then you can join. You just have to complete the figure. Now shade a quarter of given shape. We have done the quarter song also. Quarter means 1/4. Quarter means 1/4. Half means 1/2. Okay, half means 1/2. Quarter means 1/4. So this shape is already given. I have divided like this and I have shaded this part. You can shade any part, but you have to shade only one part. So one part you have to shade. You can shade any part of it. Now next question is, Preeti has 28 apples. A quarter of them are rotten. How many apples are rotten. Now Preeti has how many apples? Total number of apples is 28 and quarter of them is rotten. Rotten means होता है खराब होना, सड़ना. Okay. So now what you will do is you have to find how many apples are rotten here. How many apples are rotten? So let us see how I have done it. Total number of apples is 28. Number of rotten apple is quarter of 28. I have written like this. So quarter will become 1 by 4. As I told you, quarter is 1 by 4. Of will become multiply, and this 28 we have to write it like this. So 28 divided by 4. It will become 1 multiplied by 28. 28 divided by 4. So now 28 will be divided by 4. 28 come in the table of 4 at 7. So we means that 7 apples are rotten. So 7 apples are rotten. We will write it like this in the notebook. These questions you can do in the book. Now next question is, a paper roll is 20 meter long. So total length of the roll is 20 meter. If 1/4 of the roll is used, how much roll is used and how much is left unused? So here you have to tell how much is used and how much is left also. So I have given you this homework. So 12, as you have to find the 1/4 of the roll, so 12 will be divided by 4. 12 come in the table of 4 at 3. So it means 3 meter will be used. As he said, 1/4 is used. So 3 meter will be used, and how much will be left? You have to find 12 minus 3 is 9. So you have to write it like this in proper statement sum. So this much we will be doing today. I hope that you will be able to understand all these questions. Till question number 6 your work should be complete, and on Saturday you will be having a test of chapter number 10. Please prepare it well. Thank you.